Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. At the moment here not much movement, as there isn't much movement in the entire crypto market. As I said in the Bitcoin video, we might need to wait for tomorrow when we get the CPI data released in the USA, so that can give us a clue about how this is going to carry on. At the moment, the price moving up a little bit again, and the way that the price is currently coming down here, to me, indicates we might not have seen the peak of the wave 2 here. So we might even go a bit higher. Bear in mind, in this current scenario, we're not allowed to move above 68.7 cents. If we move above that, so I would give it the possibility to move either here, that is the next target, to the 66.9 cent level, or to the 68.7 cent level. But if it gets invalidated by moving above that level, then this whole wave count will get invalidated, and it means that this wave 4, which I had peaking here, hasn't been finished yet. So in that scenario then, if we go above 68.7, we'll probably have a quick rally here to 73 cents. That is what I would then see it as very likely. See as very likely because it would just mean that that wave 4 has never been finished and that this wasn't a wave 2, so there's no reason to stop here at the previous swing high. It will then move higher, and in my opinion to 73 cents. And again, similar to Bitcoin, only if it breaks above that we can talk about the correction being over. This move down, that the low is in basically. At the moment the signals are just still too weak, and the entire wave count here looks very corrective still. So I have no problems to count a corrective wave structure here. And if you look at the channel here, it kind of would make sense here to go to 68.7 cents based on this as well, to find resistance there. So this is currently what we're looking at here, waiting currently for a decision of the market. It is possible to count this as complete, absolutely. But if this happens, we would need to see a 5-wave decline. Now it's too early to say that. If this purple wave 2 is finished, then we are going to start our move in this purple wave 3. That purple wave 3 should get into the region in the low 40s, in the low 40 cent level. And what we would need to see as evidence for that is an unfolding first 5-wave move down. So something like that, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5. But then the wave 1 itself will have an impulse. So at least we would want to see in that first wave down a small impulse, right? And this is the evidence we were looking for. At the moment, I cannot yet count a wave 1 to the downside. So therefore, I'm waiting here at the moment. We need to be on high alert that this wave Y could be finished now. But at the moment, there is no evidence that it has. We need to break first below that swing low here at 62.5 cents. To get some confirmation. And as you can see here while I'm talking, the price is already moving back into this target area. And I would give it certainly the chance to move to the next high at 66.9, and if it breaks that, 68.7. Here though, we would have an invalidation, and that would unlock higher prices to 73 cents. This is how I currently see the market. In an unfolding decline to the downside, which I'd be looking here for at the moment, which is not guaranteed to play out. We just need to see if we see it. If the price can prove that we are in this move down, then we can follow this route here to the downside. If not, then we have to delay this again, because this correction is taking a bit longer than we all like, I think. This is what we're looking for. And a move below 62.5 cents would already give us a first indication that the wave Y and the wave 2 have peaked up here, and therefore we just need to be a bit patient, and then confirmation that this wave Y has peaked up there would be below the low of the wave X, so below 57.1 cents, and then we would probably also go below 54 cents and get down here into the overall target area to complete the correction. I had a comment from someone who said, I'm changing my mind, price is going higher. Because of me, he didn't buy here. Well, I can only tell you, this yellow area has been my target area. So anywhere in here, I said from the beginning, the low can be in. Yeah, if anybody doesn't buy in here and later wants to say you didn't buy because of my what I say here in these videos, absolutely not. You need to listen. This here was the area where with the highest probability the price of ADA is turning around back into a bull run with the highest likelihood. And you don't get more confirmation than that. Outlining here the lower level wave count, and I still believe it is very likely, and that is still my primary expectation, that even from up here we are going to make a lower low and we'll get back into the low 30s. I think there will be one more capitulation move, but this is never guaranteed. Since we reached, also with Bitcoin, the overall target area, the low could have been in. Yeah, it can be in, absolutely. So therefore, you need to be making that decision. Do you buy when the uptrend isn't confirmed yet, or do you buy only when you have a confirmed uptrend? And that's just the decision you have to make, right? So you just need to listen. This here is the target area where with the highest likelihood the price is turning around. For Bitcoin as well, that was the target area between below 28.6k. That was reached as well. Price has turned around for now. It's just moving sideways, and I still believe we're going to make a lower low for pretty much all coins, except necessarily the ones that I mentioned yesterday in the videos, like Mana, BNB, and Gala possibly. So this is currently what I see. It comes across very corrective still, and therefore my primary expectation is we will see one more lower low, but it might not occur immediately. It might occur only when we maybe peak here at the resistance level of that orange target area, and the move above that would just make it likely that the wave 4 already maybe peaked here and we're already on the way up, or maybe it even peaked here and we are just here in a breakout scenario to the upside. This is possible. As I said, it's possible, but I don't believe it yet. The thing is, it is only possible because we reached those target areas, and I have problems to count an impulsive move into this. We will be able to make it work. I would have a bit of a headache, but what is worse is the Bitcoin structure. The ADA structure is not that bad, but still primarily looking here for lower prices. But bear in mind, I did say it from the beginning, from here, the correction can theoretically be over at any point now. So that is just the decision every investor needs to make. Do you buy because you believe it will go up from here, or do you wait for confirmation? So that's just the decision everybody needs to make. And it is a tough environment at the moment. Yeah, so it is currently tough because it is in this potential turnaround space. Yeah, since it reached the target area, it increased massively the chances that the low could be in. But therefore, I'm looking so much at the lower level wave count at the moment to determine, can we see any hint that the low is in? And at the moment I can't see it yet. The bullish signals are still too weak. Okay, and that is my view about ADA. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.